Do you want to speak English? Then you have to learn short English sentences, which is always used in our daily life. So, today we are going to practice with the short English sentences in our daily life.
Hold my hand. Can't say. I am bored. He is unwell. Don't worry. Wake up. Good idea. Be quiet. Take care. Be calm. For what? Finish it. It's impossible. Don't move. Take bath. What else? Good idea. Who knows? Look around. Someday. Nowadays. Thereafter. Hereafter. Henceforth. Anytime. Sometime. Yesterday. Today. Tomorrow. Day after tomorrow. The day before. Day. Date. Month. Week. Weekend.
I'm finishing this video here today. Stay well and keep learning English with us. May God bless you.